Hello everyone, this question appears in class 8th NCERT chapter of factorization. This is first question of its exercise 14.1. So the question says that find the common factors of the given term. So first is 12x. So इसके फैक्टर हो जाएंगे 2 into 2 into 3 into x and 36. आएंगे इसके 2 into 2 into 2 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So कॉमन फैक्टर हो जाएगा 2, 2 and 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 3 to the 6 to the 12. Then second 2y factor हो जाएंगे 2 into y then 22xy. So factor हो जाएंगे 2 into 11 into x and 2y. So common factor इसे हम CF लिख देंगे. CF हो जाएगा हमारे पास कॉमन फैक्टर 2 into y. So हो जाएगा 2y. Then third 14pq then 28 p square q square. So हो जाएगा 2 into 7 into p into q. हो जाएगा 2 into 2 into 7 into p into p into q into q. So common factor हो जाएगा 2, 7, p and q. So 2 into 7 into p into q. So हो जाएगा 14pq. Then fourth is 2x, 3x square and 4. So इनके हो जाएंगे फैक्टर्स 2 into x, 3x स्क्वायर के 3 into x एंड 4 के हो जाएंगे 2 into 2. So यहाँ पे कॉमन फैक्टर हो जाएगा. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास कॉमन x इन दोनों में है, इसमें नहीं है. 2 इन दोनों में है, इसमें नहीं है. So कॉमन कुछ भी नहीं है, so कॉमन आ जाएगा 1. Then fifth 6abc 24ab square then 12a square b. You got 2 into 3 into a into b into c 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into a into b into b then 2 into 2 into 3 into a into b. So common factor हो जाएगा यहाँ पे 2 then 3 then a and b. हो जाएगा 2 into 3 into a into b. So हो जाएगा 6ab. Then sixth part is 16x cube minus 4x square 32x. So 16x cube हो जाएगा 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into x into x into x. माइनस 4 हो जाएगा माइनस 2 into 2 into x into x. 32x का फैक्टर हो जाएंगे 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into x. So यहाँ पे हो जाएगा हमारे पास -1 into. So 1 2 कॉमन आ रहा है, देन सेकंड 2 भी कॉमन आ रहा है, देन x कॉमन आ रहा है. So हो जाएगा कॉमन फैक्टर 2 into 2 into x is equal to 4x. Then seventh part is 10pq 20qr then 30rp. So factors जाएंगे 2 into 5 into p into q then 2 into 2 into 5 into q into r then 2 into 3 into 5 into r into p. So common factor हो जाएगा 2 then 5. So 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Then eighth part is 3x square y cube, 10x cube y square, then 6x square y square z. So इनके फैक्टर्स आएंगे 3 into x into x into y into y into y, then 2 into 5 into x into x into x into y into y, then 2 into 3 into x into x into y into y into z. So यहाँ कॉमन आ जाएगा y, then again y, x, then x. So कॉमन फैक्टर हो जाएगा x स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर.